This video is very quick guide to install Java on your Windows operating system. Open any browser or google.com, search Java download and press enter. Then comes with the search result and open it. After opening, do some scroll and here you can see Java for different OS system. I am gonna to download MSI installer for my Windows operating system. After completing download, locate the MSI file in your folder. Then right click on it and open with Windows installer. Then click on next and here I do not change default installation path. Then click again next to starting up the installation process. Here we successfully install Java. And now click on the close. Now open the Java installation path. For my case, I have to open C directory, then program files, then Java, and inside the Java you will see JDK folder. And finally we have to open bin folder. Then copy this directory path from here. Now open edit system environment variables. Click on environment variables. Then click on path under the system variable section and edit it. Inside the path, click on new and paste that bin directory path here. Then click on OK. After this step, add a new system variable named with Java home. And variable value will be as same as our previous copied path. Just we need to remove /bin from here. Then click on OK and then OK and again OK. Now open command prompt and run this command. And hooray, we have successfully installed Java 23.0.1 version on our Windows operating machines. If you found this video helpful for you, please consider to like the video and subscribe this channel.